For this next recipe, we pour extra virgin olive oil on the bottom of the pan. Plenty of extra virgin olive oil, as always. We threw the red onion, and everything goes into the fire. Next step, we peel our red tomato. When they're ready and mature, they're so ready to be peeled. See, the skin come off in a few seconds. And this is all our garden tomato from my dad's garden. Luckily, we can steal some from him during the bottling process. See how red they are underneath the skin? We simply cut it in two parts. We remove the tough part in the middle. So personally, nobody mind the seeds in the family, so we simply clean a little of the tomato from the seeds. And all our tomatoes are ready for the poached eggs. Now I threw all my delicious tomato in the onion and olive oil. Time for salt. This is one of my favorite meals. Fresh tomato, fresh basil, fresh eggs from the farm. See, whoops, even a feather in the eggs. They're very fresh. Next ingredient will be the basil, fresh from the farm, just some leaves, last minutes before you crack the eggs and the tomato. And with the spoon, you push down a little of the basil, so we'll cook just for a few seconds. And now is the time for the egg. They are cooking in the tomato sauce, boiling. Only 2 minutes to have the eggs done. The last, most important thing, Marcus bread. Here we are. Look what a beautiful eggs here. All together like little sister in our little pan with tomato, basil. Look at the color. Green, white, yellow, red, the summer color. And here our egg. Ooh. You break the bread with your finger, with your hands, and look, it will be like a spoon for you to eat your poached egg in tomato. Tomato and it's so good.